Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how to set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open settings. Now scroll down and choose security, then face unlock. Enter your current login method, and after reading the disclaimer, click setup. Now click next. And next again, then done. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is no longer required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!